Centella asiatica, also known as Gotu Kola, is a fascinating herb with a rich history in traditional medicine. This creeping perennial boasts a range of potential health benefits and is surprisingly easy to cultivate indoors. Whether you're interested in incorporating it into your culinary repertoire or exploring its potential therapeutic uses, growing Centella asiatica at home offers a rewarding and sustainable approach. Centella asiatica thrives in warm, humid environments with indirect sunlight. A south-facing window with filtered light is ideal. Aim for temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose a well-draining pot with several drainage holes. A pot size of 6 to 8 inches is suitable for initial growth. Use a well-aerated potting mix rich in organic matter, such as a combination of potting soil, perlite, and compost. Centella asiatica can be grown from seeds or stem cuttings. Seeds require warm soil and consistent moisture for germination. Stem cuttings, taken from healthy plants, should be planted with the nodes buried slightly in the soil. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Mist the leaves regularly to increase humidity. Fertilize lightly with a balanced organic fertilizer during the growing season. Leaves can be harvested once the plant reaches maturity, typically after 6 to 8 weeks. Harvest regularly to encourage new growth. Use scissors to snip off leaves, avoiding taking more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Growing Centella asiatica at home empowers you to cultivate a versatile herb with a multitude of potential benefits. With its ease of care and diverse applications, this unique plant offers a rewarding addition to your indoor garden, enriching your health and well-being journey. Remember, while traditional practices and preliminary research hold promise, always consult a healthcare professional before using Centella asiatica for any therapeutic purposes. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.